James Dyson's journey begins in the late 1970s when, frustrated with his vacuum cleaner's loss of suction, he decided to invent a bagless model. His revolutionary idea was inspired by the industrial cyclone technology he observed in a sawmill. Dyson faced numerous challenges, including over 5,000 prototypes and rejection from major manufacturers. Despite financial struggles and skepticism, he launched a successful product in Japan, winning a design award. The Dyson Dual Cyclone eventually became a global phenomenon, solidifying his reputation as an innovative entrepreneur, transforming household technology and proving the power of perseverance and unconventional thinking.